Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Walmart fall fashion video. We have already covered a lot of fall ground this season, so I will link my Walmart fall fashion playlist below. But in today's video, I have over 10 outfits to share. So many gorgeous brand new accessories. So a big thank you to Scoop at Walmart for sponsoring this video. I will have all these items listed below in the description box, as well as over on the pinned comment section. So let's get into it. And first up, what I have on, we're starting with an old favorite that they've brought back. Scoop did a version of this last year, and I was so excited to see it drop on the website. I do have it in this really pretty light brown color, but it's also available in black as well as gray. I like that this is a full zip style. It does have silver hardware in this cable knit design. This is super soft, and I think this sweater makes for easy styling. Just throw it on with a pair of blue jeans, and actually the color I have matches the Time and True tote bags perfectly. Whether you want to pick up the solid or the houndstooth, and I do show that these are in stock right now. And I wanted to make a very coffee inspired latte outfit, so I did throw on top of the sweater this Time and True faux leather jacket. They are calling this an asymmetrical jacket. This is definitely a Moto jacket. I do like that this one's a little bit pared down, so if you don't like Moto styles that have a ton of zippers, a ton of hardware, this might be a really good one for you because it's pretty minimal. You just have the side zipper here, the full zip up, and then the silver button detail. I got this in the color that they're calling Hot Fudge, which I think is just a really great color for fall, but it's also available in black, and this is under $30. And we are jumping right into a turtleneck style. One of the things that I really like about the Scoop sweaters this year is that they have such classic textures and styling, whether it's cable knit or more of this diamond pattern like this mixed stitch sweater. I loved the hot pink color. Scoop actually has done a few different pieces in this hot pink color this season. I think it really stands out. It's available in a couple of other colors as well. It's also a really good length. This is not too long, it's not too short, it's kind of just right. Most of the items in today's video I am wearing in a small unless I say otherwise. I'm not sure if I just ordered this sweater in the wrong size or if I got it in the wrong size, but this is an extra small, and that is why in the footage you guys are seeing it be skin tight. Everything else has fit me true to size, so I would just order this in your typical size. And I loved the way the hot pink looked paired with black, so I did throw them on with maybe the item of the season from Walmart, and it's these Time and True faux leather trousers. I think these look so expensive. From the pleat here in the front, you've belt loops, it's a wide leg style. These are awesome. They're available in black as well as that same Hot Fudge color, which I actually have coming up styled in my next outfit. I do want to point out that on the website, they are showing these super cropped. This is a style that's available in a short, regular, as well as long under different links, so make sure you double check. I'm wearing it just in the regular and they are not cropped. So I did want to point that out. These are under $25, and in the footage I have it styled with a black crossbody bag, but I just got this one in from Walmart that I would have used instead. It is a structured style. I love the muted gold hardware on this. It does have a little lock in the front. You just press down on the button to open the bag. It has great interior pockets from a side zipper. There's a slip pocket here in the middle, and then you have another pouch on the other side. It does have a back slip pocket, which I always love in purses, so I can put my phone back there. It does have a top handle strap as well as this thicker camera strap, which you can wear as a crossbody, wear it on your shoulder. It's also saying under the link that this is removable. I have not tried that yet because I just got it in, but I think this looks very designer inspired. Comes in a couple of other color options as well. I think it's just a really good everyday bag for around $25. Next, I have this super soft sweater. It is a ribbed style, a true turtleneck that is oversized. It's more slouchy. I love the billowy sleeves on this one. This is going to be that sweater that you grab for all season long because it's so comfortable, but it's also a very chic looking sweater as well. It's another one that's available in quite a few color options. This one Scoop is calling peat moss, and as opposed to the website photo, what you're seeing right here is a little bit more true to color. It's a little bit lighter than that sweater showing, and I think this is the perfect color green for the fall. Think about this with your creams, your denim, wear it with black, wear it with the camel color that I have on, but then get this right back out for the holiday season. This makes a great Christmas green. So I did pair it with those same Time and True faux leather trousers. This is in the Hot Fudge. I think it's just such a great color combo. And y'all, how perfect of a color match is that to these Scoop boots that have just dropped? These are the boots that I have been waiting for all season. Scoop is calling these knee high, but on me, they do hit me a little bit below the knee, but it is a smooth faux leather look. These definitely look like a dressier pair of boots. They're more of a pointed style, which I think always looks chic. It has a nice block heel. This is available in 4 different colors, and no matter which one you go with, the heel is the same color as the boot on this. And it does have a matching side zipper that you can get the boot on and off easier. And it has kind of this very subtle Western detail here in the front, which the cowboy boots, the Western look is really in right now. So it's a super wearable way to get the trend. I do have these in the color chocolate as well as black. They do also come in a burgundy snake print that is beautiful, as well as a really trendy silver. I think you cannot go wrong with any of them. And then I wanted to make a little green on green outfit, so I did throw on some dark wash jeans and this Scoop Moto jacket in this really pretty olive color. I thought it complemented this sweater really nicely. This is buttery soft. You are not going to be disappointed in the quality of this Moto jacket. And what I would say the main difference between this and the Time and True one that I just shared is, let's call this one more Moto. It does have more hardware details, so you do have more silver zippers on the cuff. You do have some extra pockets, and this one is available in a couple of other fashion colors that the Time and True one isn't, including a burgundy. And another one going really fast, probably because it is a crop sweater style, which those can be really hard to find, especially on a budget, is this cable knit one that has this sculpted, really fun sleeve. And I picked this one up in antique white. It's available in 5 colors, so I would snag whatever you can get your hands on in this one. And I do have it styled with these free assembly cargo pants in this olive green color. I love the utility pocket, the cargo pocket on the side, and then they do have a slight barreled silhouette to them, which is very on trend right now. And these are definitely a crop style, which is great for showing off your shoes, your boots this season. I do have it on with this new heel style from Sam and Libby. It is their pointed toe pump. I have it in the black faux suede as well as the patent nude style. I just think a pointed toe shoe instantly looks more fashionable, and these are available in whole as well as half sizes. Now, typically when I order pointed toe styles, I go up half a size if I can, but with Sam and Libby, I find that they do run pretty big, so I actually size down half a size. I like the way that fits, but just keep that in mind since this is a pointed toe shoe style. And another pointed toe style, Scoop just released these. They have more of a kitten heel, so if you're someone who likes a low heel, this might be a good option for you. I love all of the rhinestones. I definitely think that makes this look like a dressier shoe. Keep this one in mind for the holidays. It is a slingback style, and it does have a little bit of elastic on the strap to make for a more comfortable wear. I think these are gorgeous. And up next, I have a couple of little black dresses. The first one is this lightweight sweater dress. It's a long sleeve style, does have more of a crew neckline. And even though this is a simple black dress, I think it looks really elegant. This is gonna be a really nice neckline for statement jewelry. And I really like the sewn-in belt on this. It's the same material, and you can wear this a couple different ways. You can fold it over the front, you can tie it off to the side. And I didn't try it, but now that I'm seeing where the panel is sewn exactly on the side, I do think you could tie it off and wear it in the back. It does have a pretty significant front slit here, so I did throw it on with those same Scoop taller boots in black. This dress is available in a couple of other color options. And then something really different, I do have this sheer polo style, so it does have a collar. It's a long sleeve style, really lightweight. It has kind of this tonal rectangular geometric, but it is sheer. The entire dress is see-through. It does have this built-in slip though, and you can see it really good in the footage that the slip does cut off around mid-thigh, and it is removable, so you can actually snap the slip in and out. Random for a fall video, but I think next year you could remove the slip and even wear this as a swimsuit cover-up. And to finish off the look, I did throw on these boots from Scoop. This is a true over-the-knee style. Definitely a more fashion-forward look. I know it's not going to be for everybody. It does have this thicker paneling here. Scoop is calling this a stovepipe. I'm gonna say it looks a little bit more pirate. And we were seeing this all over the runways for a much more expensive price tag. You can get these in whole as well as half sizes. And another return favorite from last year is this best-selling sweater. It has this ribbed turtleneck, a more exaggerated puff sleeve, but definitely what makes this one look so special is the pearl detail here at the wrist. And it does have a traditional sweater ribbing at the bottom. I got this in the heather gray, which this silver color is right on trend, but it's also available in a couple of other great neutrals, including this light brown. You can wear these sweaters with anything from jeans, leggings. I did throw on this silver with this scoop faux leather cargo pant. It has a great utility pocket, slip pockets on the side. This is a straight crop style. It's also available in olive, and it's one that I've seen in stores. These sweaters, by the way, are under $30. And if you're a fan of the scoop long sleeve bodysuits, these are the new colors for the season. It does come in that same great hot pink as the sweater I showed earlier. This blue as well as white. You might even be able to still pick this up in black right now, but these are so great because they are a more fitted style, so it's great to wear on its own, layer it up. They do have a deep ribbing, and I think it's technically a sweater material, but it is super lightweight. It does also have these really fun 3 buttons with cutout details at the sleeve, and this is a thong style bodysuit that you get in and out of with a snap button closure. So I would get these just in your typical size, and I have them on with another gorgeous pair of scoop boots. This is a pointed style bootie, a thin heel, so a true stiletto heel, and these are 4 inches. So this is something that you wear for fashion, not necessarily to walk all day in for comfort, although I don't think that they're too bad, honestly. It is a mid-calf style. You do have a matching zipper on the inside for an easy off and on. I loved this black patent, but it does come in a few other options, as well as a white, which can actually be very hard to find a white pointed toe bootie at a budget retailer. So thrilled to see these. I know I'm gonna have them on all winter long with white jeans, my favorite white trousers, blue jeans, and these are available in whole as well as half sizes. And also with that pink bodysuit, I did throw on this more oversized jacket. I think this is a really unique looking jacket, from the faux fur collar here to just the overall silhouette. It does kind of lean into that bomber style jacket, especially with that ribbing here at the bottom. They're also calling this a faux leather style. This is definitely leaning more into that latex high sheen look than necessarily faux leather. It has slip pockets here. It does also have snap buttons as well as a zipper here in the front. But probably the coolest part of the whole jacket is that you're really getting 2 in 1 because you can remove the faux fur collar. And it does look like a completely different jacket style, which I did not know when I ordered it, so it's awesome, and it's easy to button this on and off the collar. This was one of the styles that I did get to preview a few months ago. I got to go to New York and look at some of the fall collection. I got to meet Brandon Maxwell, who's the creative director of Scoop, preview some of the fall line, including this jacket, and meet some other awesome Walmart YouTube creators. So I'll leave their handles below, but I was also just really excited to get my hands on this because I have had my eye on it for months. And I've maybe never met a half zip up sweater that I didn't love, but this one from Scoop is exceptional. It is slouchy, oversized, another super soft sweater. I like whenever you open this up that you have a nice big collar, and it is a longer style sweater. In the footage, I do have it paired with blue jeans and I have it kind of pulled up, but it is on the longer side. It comes in a few awesome neutrals, including the color that I have on. And in honor of the last sweater in today's video and the cooler weather that I hope is headed my way, I'm gonna make today's secret emoji be any of the ice cube emojis. So leave those below for me in the comment section so I know you stuck it out with me this long. And last but not least is this sweater midi dress, which I did share the mini version in my Walmart dress video. If you missed that one and you are looking for a good Walmart fall dress, I will link it below in the description box. But this is the longer style. Like I said, it's a midi length. It has that same flouncy silhouette. It's very feminine. You do have a full back on this one, so you can wear it with a regular bra, a higher crew neckline, and it is a ribbed, really lightweight sweater material. I think the midi length here is only available in black, but in the mini you can pick it up in a few other colors as well as a stripe. Would be great to wear on its own. You could throw it on with those black salmon Libby pumps or pair it later in the season with a jacket. I did throw it on in the footage with a trench coat that I have, but I just got these in from Time and True. It is their belted trench style. style. I did pick it up in the tan here, which I think this camel color is the perfect neutral. It does have a single line of tortoise buttons. It's a belted style, does have slip pockets as well as these sewn down flaps here in the front. Trenches can be a lot of different lengths. This one does hit me more mid-thigh, which I know is gonna work really well for a lot of our climate. Trench coats can be very expensive. These are under 30. All right, y'all, that does wrap up today's Walmart fall fashion video, which did unintentionally become a Walmart sweater video, but you have to grab them while you can. As you guys know, budget is gonna sell out super quickly. So if you're interested in any of these items, again, they're linked below in the description box, as well as over on the pinned comment in the comment section. A big thank you to Scoop at Walmart for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see y'all in the next one.